Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the animal kingdom with a challenge that will test even the most dedicated nature lovers. I've gathered images of some of the most unique, bizarre, and beautiful creatures from around the globe. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to name them all. Are you ready? Let's get started with our first contender. Alright, kicking things off with something that looks like it's straight out of a fantasy novel. Look at this magnificent creature. With its vibrant blue and orange coloring, intricate patterns, and those elaborate fan-like appendages, it's a true work of art. It's tiny, usually only a few centimeters long, and it floats upside down on the ocean's surface, carried along by the winds and currents. This little guy has a powerful sting, so it's best admired from a distance. Any guesses? 3, 2, 1... This is the Glaucus atlanticus, more commonly known as the blue sea dragon or sea swallow. Did you get it right? Let me know in the comments. Okay, moving on from the ocean to the dense forests of Madagascar. Check out this master of disguise. At first glance, you might just see a dead leaf, but look closer. Its body is perfectly flattened and veined to mimic a decaying leaf, complete with little notches and imperfections. This incredible camouflage helps it avoid predators and ambush unsuspecting insects. It's a type of gecko, but what's its specific name? Take a moment to think. This is the satanic leaf-tailed gecko. Despite the intimidating name, they're completely harmless to humans and are just experts at blending in. How are you doing so far? 2 for 2? Let's head back into the water for our next one, but this time we're going deep, deep down into the abyss. This creature is famous for its rather gloomy appearance. It has a gelatinous body, slightly less dense than water, which allows it to float just above the seafloor without expending much energy. It lives at depths where the pressure is immense, which is why it looks so different when brought to the surface. It's often been called the world's ugliest animal, but I think it's just misunderstood. Do you know its name? This is, of course, the blobfish. Poor guy gets a bad rap, but it's perfectly adapted to its extreme environment. All right, from the depths of the sea to the treetops of South America. Take a look at this colorful character. It's a bird, obviously, but what kind? It's known for its massive rainbow-colored bill, which can be over a third of its body length. You might think such a large bill would be heavy, but it's actually surprisingly light because it's mostly hollow. They use it for reaching fruit, for defense, and even for mating rituals. This one might be a bit more familiar to some of you. Any ideas? Yes, it's the toko toucan, a classic beautiful bird that's impossible to mistake once you've seen it. Now for something a little more unusual. This mammal, found in the Democratic Republic of Congo, looks like a mix of several different animals. It has the stripes of a zebra on its legs, the body of a horse, and a long prehensile tongue like a giraffe. In fact, it's the giraffe's only living relative. They are very shy and elusive, which is why they weren't known to the Western world until the early 20th century. What is this mysterious forest dweller? Give it your best shot. This is the okapi, a truly fascinating and unique animal that shows just how diverse life on Earth can be. Are you keeping score? Okay, let's switch gears to the insect world. Don't worry, this one is more beautiful than creepy. Found in parts of Southeast Asia, this insect looks like it's made of spun glass and jewels. Its transparent wings are adorned with vibrant, metallic colors that shimmer and change in the light. It's a type of plant hopper known for its incredible and almost alien-like appearance. This is a tough one, so I'll be really impressed if you get it. This is the jewel caterpillar, which later turns into a wattle cup caterpillar moth. The early stage is just breathtaking. Did anyone know that? You're a true expert if you did. Back to the mammals we go, and this time to the high mountains of Central Asia. This elusive feline is known as the ghost of the mountains for a reason. It has a thick, smoky gray coat with dark rosettes, providing perfect camouflage against the rocky terrain. Its most impressive feature is its incredibly long and thick tail, which it uses for balance and to wrap around itself for warmth. It's a powerful predator, but also incredibly shy. Can you name this majestic cat? This is the snow leopard, a symbol of the wild, high-altitude wilderness. Their numbers are threatened, so conservation efforts are crucial to protect them. Our next creature is a real oddity. It's a mammal, but it lays eggs. Found in Australia and New Guinea, it has a bill like a duck, a tail like a beaver, and webbed feet. The males even have a venomous spur on their hind legs. When the first specimen was sent to Europe, scientists thought it was a hoax, a bunch of different animals sewn together. Can you believe it? This one is pretty famous for being so strange. I'm sure many of you know it. It is, of course, the platypus, a true evolutionary marvel and a member of the monotreme family. Let's dive back into the ocean for our 9th challenger. This is not a plant, it's an animal. It looks like a feather or an ancient fern gracefully waving in the ocean currents. They are related to starfish and sea urchins. They have a central body and multiple feathery arms, which they use to filter plankton and other small particles from the water for food. Some can swim freely, while others attach themselves to the seafloor. What is this elegant sea creature? The answer is the crinoid, also known as a feather star. They've been around for millions of years and are like living fossils. For our grand finale, number 10, we have a creature that seems to defy logic. This little crustacean packs the most powerful punch in the animal kingdom. Its club-like appendages can accelerate with the speed of a bullet, striking with so much force that it creates an underwater shock wave and even produces light and heat. It also has one of the most complex visual systems ever discovered, allowing it to see polarized light and a wider spectrum of colors than humans can. What is this tiny, powerful, and colorful warrior of the sea? This is the peacock mantis shrimp. Small but mighty, it's a perfect example of how amazing nature can be. So, how did you do? Did you get all 10? 5? Maybe you just learned about 10 incredible new animals today? Either way, I hope you had fun with this ultimate creature challenge. The diversity of life on our planet is absolutely mind-blowing, from the deepest oceans to the highest mountains. Let me know your score in the comments below, and also tell me which of these creatures was your favorite or the most surprising. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.